Today we are going to show how to reduce email load by grouping notification in fewer emails in SmartIT Progressive Web App. When a ticket is allocated to a specific support group, the notification emails regarding the group assignments are sent to support team members. In certain instances, some support group such as service desk team may consist of a large number of members. Let us consider a support group consisting of 53 individuals. Consequently, whenever there is a incident assigned to that specific support group, this results in the generation of 53 emails within the ER system email messages form, along with numerous entries in associated backend forms. Typically, customers utilize alerting tools and integration with the various applications, which can lead to the creation of thousands of tickets within the remedies application every day. This situation results in the frequent dispatch of numerous notification emails, thereby placing a significant load on the remedy application. By using these two centralized configurations parameters, we can achieve our requirement: combine group email notification and combine group email notification recipient limit. In my demo, I will show you how to manage this issue. Open support group form in mid-tier console. I have already created a support group D support 1, which is consisting of 53 members. Let's create a new incident and assign to D support 1 support group to see how many entries are creating in AR system email messages form. Open SmartIT ticket console, click on more, click on new incident, select the customer, submit the ticket, copy the incident number, open AR system email messages form, put the incident number in subject line, click on search button. Now you can see 53 entries created in the AR system email messages form. If you see the two email address, you can see for every person it created one entry in the AR system email messages form. Let's see how to handle it by using CSS parameter. Go to home screen, click on application flyout, open AR system administration console, expand the system, expand the general tab, and open centralized configuration form. Select component type as AR system ITSM. You can see group email notification is set to false. Let's change it to true, and limit, let's set it to 10. Click on apply button. Now create a new ticket in SmartIT. Select the customer, submit the incident, copy the incident number, open AR system email messages form, search the incident. You can see only 6 entries generated in this AR system email messages form. If you expand the two email address, you can see the system has automatically consolidated 10 emails into a single entry. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.